Hello again. Welcome back to our guest arrival guide. In this video, we'll chat about travel preparation, what to pack, and what's provided at your cabin. While we recommend using GPS navigation to reach the parkway, not all roads to your cabin are documented in navigation systems, so be sure to follow the cabin directions emailed to you. And if your cabin's driveway is steep, or if you're vacationing in winter, plan to bring a vehicle with four-wheel drive. Every cabin comes with its own starter kit, including paper towels, toilet paper, a kitchen trash bag, dish soap, a sponge, a dishwasher detergent packet, and a bonus coffee pack. Standard size pots and pans, as well as silverware, plates, and glasses are all provided, so you'll need to pack larger items, such as griddles, crock pots, and stock pots. And if your cabin has a grill, be sure to bring charcoal or propane. Every cabin comes with its own coffee maker or a Keurig, so don't forget to bring plenty of filters and your favorite coffee or K-Cups. Linens are provided for all beds and sleeper sofas. Plus, each guest will be provided with one towel and one washcloth, so remember to pack extra towels if needed. As a bonus, many of our cabins provide complimentary internet. When you arrive, check the informational sheet on the refrigerator for details on your cabin's Wi-Fi. Please keep in mind, some cabins may not support streaming or gaming due to limited bandwidth. Alright, now you're ready to pack for your relaxing cabin stay in the Smokies. For arrival and departure information, please continue to the next videos in our guest arrival guide.